In this video, we're going to talk about how to be attractive and appealing no matter what you happen to look like. The way to be more attractive and appealing to others, no matter what you look like, is to make people feel things. Think about it. Ever found yourself listening to someone sharing stories of the adventures that they've been on, and then you find them more attractive because of how fearless, adventurous, and spontaneous they are? What about listening to someone tell funny stories? Ever found yourself looking at someone differently through your tears of joy as your side hurts because you're laughing too much? Ever been at the edge of your seat, fascinated by what someone was telling you and being intensely drawn to them because of it? What about being touched, surprised, and honored by how open and genuine someone was with you and feeling attracted to their vulnerability? Or listening to someone's stories and realizing how much you have in common with them and finally feeling like someone gets you and understands you and is like you, so you're attracted to them because they're just like you. We are attracted to and find others appealing who have the qualities that we admire, the qualities that we desire, the qualities and things that we have in common, the qualities and things that we're curious about. Funny is attractive. Open, vulnerable, genuine is attractive. Adventurous, thrill seeker, risk taker is attractive. Opposites is attractive. The same is attractive. Knowledgeable, worldly, educated is attractive. Well, assuming you're not obnoxious know-it-all. Point being, there are many things about who you are, your qualities, experience, and the things that you've done that are attractive and appealing to others. The catch is you need to know how to communicate and express those things in a way that has the impact and the effects that you're looking for. Are you looking to learn how to communicate and express who you are so that you can be more attractive, appealing, likable, and relatable? Yes, well, I have got the answer for you. Check out the How to Become a First-Time Storyteller book on Amazon, or head on over to firsttimestorytelling.com, where you can sign up for the course and get some first-time story coaching, so that way that you know that you have outlined and prepared yourself, rehearsed, and are ready to go out and share your stories to have the impact and the effects that you want.